Luminous range, practice problem 4. We're getting there. These are quick problems. We'll be through them in no time. 4 reads, Lightless shows that a navigational light has a nominal range of 24 miles and the visibility is 1 mile. What's the luminous range? Let's get our information. So, nominal range 24. Nominal is equal to 24 miles. And visibility is 1 mile. 1. And then it says, what is the luminous range? So again, in this problem, the nominal range, on a day with a visibility of 10, you could see this light from 24 miles. But our visibility is only 1 mile. So we're going to correct it and see the actual luminous range that we'd probably first see this light. Now we have our information. We can go to our diagram, and we're looking for nominal 24. So on here, 15, 20, 25. So 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's this tick mark here, right? And we're looking for visibility of 1. That's this curve. So we'll line up on 24. And again, I mean, this isn't an exact science, really. And this is 1. This curve here is 1. So here, it looks like they meet right at this line, basically. Maybe it's a tiny bit low, but we're going to say 4. And then we'll look for an answer that's close. So if we said the range is 4, now we can go look for our answers. We're on problem 4. We have a 3.8, and it did seem like it was a little bit below that line. So 4 is D. 4 is D. There we go. We got practice problem 4. 1 more to do, and then 2 on your own, and then we'll keep going. If you find these videos helpful, consider using US Captain's Training as your course provider for your captain's license.